Belkin Aircast Auto installs in seconds. All you need is your smartphone and your existing car stereo. Setup is easy. First, connect the audio cables. Then plug in the power adapter. Put the call play button on the dash. Perform the one-time Bluetooth pairing process. Next time, to reconnect, press the call play button and you're ready to go. Press the call play button to start your music. Full range sound will stream via Bluetooth directly through your car speakers. To pause, tap the button once. Tap twice to skip to the next track. When a call comes in, the music fades automatically. Press the button to answer the call.
Hello?
Hey, are you on your way?
When the call ends, your playlist starts up without missing a beat. You can also stream your favorite internet radio apps and charge while you drive with built-in USB. Music and hands-free calling have never been easier. Belkin Aircast Auto.